Ever wonder if high-end curly hair products are worth it? Let's find out if Ouidad is. Hey there guys! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're brand new here, hi, my name's Courtney, and here on this channel, we test out all things wavy curly hair. For quite a bit now, we have been doing a series called One Brand Wash Days, wherein we use just 3 products to wash and style this head of hair. Getting to see how all these different brands stack up and compare to each other. The purpose of this series is to give you more information as the consumer about which products may work best for you and which products you may just want to skip trying because of various factors. I do my best to give you as much information about who I think the products would perform best for, which hair types, which curl types. I personally have fine hair that is on the wavier, looser curl pattern side of things rather than a tighter curl pattern. And I currently have low porosity roots, medium porosity mids, and kind of higher porosity ends. It may not look like it because I've toned my hair back to my natural hair color, but back in 2023, I highlighted my hair really blonde. But I've since learned that I prefer my natural hair color. Anyway, multiple porosities, fine hair on the wavier side. And today I'm really excited to be playing around with Ouidad because of all the curly hair product lines that I've had the absolute pleasure of playing around with, Ouidad is one of those that I didn't mess with as much. Don't ask me why. I have no idea why I never picked up Ouidad, but after watching Gina Marie talk about these products and rave about them, I am itching, dying to try them. So before we do that, let's take a really good look at the before hair so we get a really good comparison of before and after. I'm so mean. In the befores, this hair is product-free, air-dried hair that has been pulled back in some sort of bun for a bit. We have the greasy roots. We have the stretched out mid-lengths to ends, and it is cold here today, like cold. So my heater's running and the outdoor weather is terrifyingly frozen tundra. Or at least it is for me here in Texas. I'm not built for the cold. Can you see? I'm wearing a t-shirt. I don't know how to prepare. Anyway, let's go wash and style this head of hair. Hey there guys, welcome to my bathtub. I am just gonna start this off by getting my hair nice and soaking wet, and oh my goodness, this water's cold. Why did I not preheat the water? Anyway, grabbing the Unbreakable Bonds Bond Building Shampoo. Gina Marie made me buy this. I really love that this is a fragrance-free formula. Lately, I have been getting super sensitive to fragrance, so that is much appreciated. It's a very clear, kind of semi-opaque formula. It's not completely clear, but it's close. It does contain sodium C14, C16 olefin sulfonate, cocamidopropylbutane, decaglucoside as the main surfactants in it. It also contains hyaluronic acid, coconut oil, jojoba oil, collagen, linseed oil, olive oil, hydrolyzed quinoa, shea butter, hydrolyzed vegetable protein. So there's a blend of really nourishing oils and butters along with proteins in this formula. And as you can see, oh my goodness, I think I grabbed way too much. I thought I grabbed my standard amount of shampoo. Let's take a look at the replay. Yep, no, that is a lot of shampoo for a higher end product. Somehow I forgot that I was using such high-end products, which means I need like 1/10 the amount of shampoo. There will be no need for a second cleanse on this wash day. I am getting plenty of cleanse this first time around. That was my bad. I feel bad. In fact, I'm actually gonna do something that I don't normally do. I'm going to add just a touch of water to the shampoo because the lather was actually getting kind of stiff on me. Adding just a touch of water kind of loosen things up and allow me to finish cleansing my scalp. I am going to pull the shampoo through the lengths of my hair, and oh my goodness, I have never had so much suds in my hair before. I'm really gonna take my time here, rinsing this out thoroughly, making sure to really squeeze the the water out of my hair multiple times to make sure all that suds is gone, because wow, I grabbed a lot. I think I've learned my lesson, so I'm going to now grab the Unbreakable Bonds Bond Building Conditioner. Again, it's fragrance free, and I really like this formula. Not only does it contain moisturizing alcohols like cetyl alcohol, it also contains bihydramonium chloride, glycerin, collagen, hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, argan oil, coconut oil, hydrolyzed quinoa, macadamia seed oil, jojoba oil, squalane. It's like chock full of all the nourishment and moisture along with some proteins. As I'm using this to finger detangle, I'm having some trouble. My hair is not just wildly detangling super easy. I would say that this is medium slip. I don't know exactly why this product doesn't just have all the slip in the world for me, but that's what I'm noticing as I'm trying this for the first time. I am able to go ahead and finish detangling my hair though, no problem. And then it's when I grab my Bounce Curl Defining Brush to finish distributing the conditioner through my hair that I realize that I've made the same mistake again. I grabbed way too much of this conditioner. Because it's such a high quality product, you only need a minuscule amount. You can see how foamy and frothy and lathery the conditioner is getting. This is an indication to me that I grabbed 10 times the amount of conditioner that I needed, which could be the reason that I actually didn't get enough slip. For conditioners to have proper slip, you have to have the right amount of water and conditioner in your hair. Have too much of one or the other and you won't get that delicious detangling slippage that you so desire. I am gonna go ahead and try to squish to condition a bit. I'm gonna add some water to this and start squishing and pulsing. But I quickly realized that no squishing to conditioning. This is just a joke at this point. I have way too much conditioner in my hair. So let's just rinse it out and we'll try again next time. Later we'll try again. Rinsing this out completely. Again, really making sure to scrub the scalp with the pads of my fingers, squeeze the lengths of my hair to really squeeze out all of this conditioner. Wow, these were so concentrated. Once I've got all that conditioner out of my hair, I am going to organize my curl clumps with the Bounce Curl Defining Brush, really pushing the hair away from my face and using the side of the brush that has the comb kind of on it to define my curl clumps. I'm going to pull the hair off the sides and back of my neck. Gonna do that on the other side as well and make sure to define my crown section really nicely. Really taking my time while I do this, making sure that everything is laying where I want it to. This routine gives me root volume and definition. I really like this brush styling routine upside down. I know it's weird, but now I'm just gonna stand up and shake the hair off the back of my head and kind of swing back down and around. This really makes sure that my curl clumps aren't stuck together as I give my hair a quick little scrunch to make sure that everything is organized the way I want. Things are looking pretty good. So now I'm going to grab the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Anti-Frizz Nanotechnology Heat and Humidity Gel. This one is the stronger hold version. It is a very thin, sort of runny consistency. It does contain glycerin as the second ingredient, but it also contains polyquaternium 11, which is a fantastic humidity blocking ingredient. It also contains shea butter, wheat amino acid, hydrolyzed wheat protein / PVP cross polymer, polyquaternium 59, polyquaternium 10, again, humidity blocking ingredients, which is fantastic. I'm just going to glaze this over and begin scrunching it in, and you can see my tiny little helper in the background came to watch Mama do her hair. Taking my time to really squish and pulse this product into my hair, making sure that I get really even distribution, turning my head from side to side to side to side as I make sure to scrunch all the way to my root upside down. If you want curl enhancement all the way to your roots, this is how you get it, my friends. As someone who really struggles with that, this actually works. This is what my curl clumps are looking like after I have washed, conditioned, styled, and applied gel to my curls. I'm really liking how things are looking, so I'm gonna go plop and diffuse and be back to scrunch out the crunch with you guys. Well, I may have just messed up this wash date. Fingers crossed I did not. Yes, this is my daughter's hair tie on my thumb. Anyway, I I have to be out the door. We are running a bit late, and I did diffuse it to the 90% drying mark, and I was letting it finish air drying in the cast like a normal, good curly girl, or at least I know that's what I have to do in order for my hair to turn out the way that I want it to. But like I said, we have to get out the door, and my hair was still just a little bit damp. So I grabbed my diffuser to finish diffusing it because I cannot go outside with damp hair today. It is too cold, and also, I really want to show y'all what it looks like. So I did diffuse it just a little bit to finish off that tiny last little bit, and it broke whatever cast this product was forming, but I haven't fully scrunched it out and fluffed it yet. It was giving a very light, soft cast, and I gotta say, like, my hair feels pretty good, pretty silky, pretty nice. So let me go ahead and fluff it and scrunch it, and we'll take a look at what it's looking like. What? Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, I like that. That is the coolest feeling. All right, y'all know I have tried maybe 1 or 2 different curly hair products. Sarcasm. I was noticing as I was shampooing and conditioning my hair that my hair kind of had some like grit to it. Like it's almost as if that hydrolyzed wheat protein, I could feel it on my hair. That tends to be a very grippy sort of protein that gives a lot of structure to the hair. I can feel that on my hair, but my hair still feels silky. It's giving super shiny, soft, kind of lightweight volume. And this gel, okay, this gel would be perfect for somebody with a rougher, drier, kind of coarser hair type that needs a lot of hold. My hair feels so silky and light. Wow. But also like bouncy and held in place. Look at this. All right, let's take a look at the back, shall we? What is What? My goodness. I have so much curl enhancement right in the back of my head. This looks so good. Okay, if this hair survives the weather today, because it is freezing cold. We had a cold front blow through. We're not used to this. If it behaves well in these incredibly low dew points and cold weather and wind, I don't know what I'll do. Comment down below what I should do if these products hold up today, because this looks incredible. All right, as always with these one brand wash days, I will see you at the end of the day to show you how the products are holding up, and I'll be back on the morning of day 2 to show you how it held up overnight. And here we are at the end of the day. Wow, what a day it has been. We braved the outside, and outside is cold and windy, and the hair is a little bit on the frizzy side. But here is what I have loved about this wash day. How my hair feels. It is so lightweight, so clean feeling. Like, I know the shampoo and conditioner wasn't for scalp health necessarily, but my scalp feels really good. My hair feels really silky and really nice. I am having those flyaway kind of wispy strands of hair tickle my face, so this didn't add so much weight to my hair to kind of weigh those pieces down and hold them in place. They are tickling me. That being said, let's take a look at the back. The hold's not too bad. It's growing a little bit. It's a little floofy kind of seeming feeling. Like I feel like I have even more volume at the end of the day than I did at the beginning, at least on the sides, maybe not on the top, but I will see you in the morning to show you how it held up overnight. Good morning. Here we are on the morning of day 2. Yes, I did pull my hair back in an overnight pineapple. I'm trying different bonnets and stuff to try and not stretch out the top of my head, but sometimes I'm just really tired and I do the easy thing, which is to protect my hair overnight by pineappling it and sleeping on a silk pillowcase. This is the year that I figure out a better way to sleep protect my hair, but anyway, that is the situation with this wash day. It was pulled back, it was pineappled, and as you can see, it didn't completely lose all definition at the top. I've still got some shape, I've still got some wave and some bend. It's not looking too bad. So let's take a quick look at the back of this 100% unrefreshed day 2 hair. Okay, if we're being honest, it's looking a little rough. There are sections that are almost completely straight and other sections that are still like quite curly. I'm not sure what's going on with this wash day. It is quite cold for here, and I feel like I am feeling that in my hair. My hair still feels really nice. It doesn't feel dry or crispy or hollow, which can happen sometimes on day 2 when the products aren't quite moisturizing enough. These products feel like they have enough moisture. My hair still feels quite silky and good, but it is quite frizzy and a little bit flyaway. It's so lightweight though. I really like the feeling of how lightweight it is. It's very different from the last One Brand wash day we did. My hair felt a little bit heavy, but I had like 0 flyaways and my hair was super nourished and moisturized. My hair still feels nourished and moisturized. It's just kind of flyaway. And I could probably 100% refresh this hair and get some bounce back. In fact, let's do that. Just a little bit. I'm taking some water and just glazing it over and scrunching it in. Getting the hair just ever so slightly wet will reactivate the gel to some extent in your hair. I'm really not feeling like adding much water at all to my hair because it's cold. And also, I don't feel like diffusing because I just don't want to. So whatever I do, it's going to have to air dry fairly quickly. So adding too much water to it is not ideal. All right, I'm going to let this air dry just for a little bit while I go do some things around the house, and then I will be back to show you what it looks like fully dry once we did like the smidgenest of a refresh. All right, let's wrap up this video. I was including refreshes in One Brand wash days right at the beginning, but then we did a whole video dedicated to 5 different ways to refresh your hair, so I kind of stopped refreshing my hair in these videos. But if that is helpful for you to see me attempt a refresh in these One Brand wash day videos, let me know in the comments down below. My hair is 100% dry and the product did kind of cast a little bit, which is why I'm re-scrunching it. I'm just trying to break that teensy little gel cast that my hair formed from the refresh. And here's the hair after a quick, teeny tiny little refresh. I have one more thing I would like to know from you guys. Seriously, be brutally honest with me. Did that do anything? Did that make it look any better? I really would like to know, because honestly, I'm looking at it and this looks worse. This section looks worse, but maybe the back or this side looks slightly better. I'm not sure, but anyway, as always, I sure hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.